Hi everyone, I'm Tereza the Teacher. Welcome to my English only video called Used to in Context. Just a little warning, some information in this video is really cringe. Enjoy! We use used to when we want to say that things were different in the past. For example, I used to play football means I played football in the past, but I don't play football now. And now some examples from Tereza the Teacher's life. I used to wear a silver chain around my neck. I didn't used to like pink. I used to think I was not like other girls. Yeah, I know. I used to love Twilight. I used to read the book all the time. I used to wear a t-shirt with Edward and Bella. I used to eat cereal for breakfast. I didn't used to speak French. I used to play with Legos. I used to have crazy hair as a teenager. I used to have a US flag in my room. I used to have some friends from the USA. I used to use a paper dictionary. Now I'm lazy. I just use an online dictionary on my phone. I used to study all the time. I didn't used to get enough sleep because I studied too much. It was not a good idea. My classmates and I used to make fun of the skeleton at our school. His name was Bohosh. My grandma used to bake amazing chocolate cake. I used to play the recorder. It's not a cool instrument to play. We used to have a fluffy black cat. His name was Leonardo. We used to have a fluffy black cat, but now I have two cats. One cat is white and brown, and the other is brown, white, and orange, or ginger. I loved Harry Potter. I can't use used to because I still love Harry Potter. If it was true in the past, and it's still true, you cannot use used to. You have to use the past tense, for example. I loved Harry Potter. That's all for this video. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe if you want more. If you have any ideas for future videos, let me know in the comments. That's about it, and see you next time.